Hey guys, it's Adam from Metro Hobbies, and today we are going to be diving into the grim dark world of Warhammer 40k, and the best way to do that is with Kill Team. So let's check it all out, shall we? So what is Warhammer 40k? Warhammer 40k is a miniatures-based tabletop game series. I'm sure you've heard of it somewhere along the lines. It's very famous by this point, but it can be a little bit intimidating to get into. A great way, however, to take that first step is with the awesome mini game known as Kill Team. This is a sort of smaller squad-based form of Warhammer 40,000. You can pick any army you want, get a squad of them together, and just have the squads duke it out on the battlefield. There is countless armies in the Warhammer 40,000 universe, countless different factions within those armies, so you've got plenty of options to choose from. Citadel has recently released the two new sets for Kill Team, that being the Adeptus Sororitas Novitiates, which are the Sisters of Battle units. As you can see there, a great little way to get started into it. And if you prefer the greater good, the Tau Empire. Now, I've always been a big fan of the Tau, love those mechs, love the alien sort of designs. This is a Pathfinder's unit. And the great thing about these sets is you can use them in your main army. So if you do want to build up to a full legion of soldiers, you can use these as squads in those armies, which is really quite cool. But in Kill Team, each unit in that squad is its individual unit. You can move it individually, you can give it its own personality if you want. It's what's really cool about it is it's a lot more of a personalized sort of war that you're fighting against your friends. They have also released the Calanth scenario sort of squad, scenario setup. This is a sort of a set of scenarios for this for these two units to fight in. They will give you backstories to the setup of fighting on this planet. Really quite awesome. And again, you could simply replace the Tau and the Sisters of Battle and change it to Chaos versus Tyranids if you really want to do. That's a great thing about Warhammer. But the other thing you will need if you want to brighten up those really awesome detailed miniatures is all the paints, all Citadel branded. We sell all these on our website, in store. We've got your brushes as well. These are very good quality brushes. The paints are all acrylic water based, so they're really easy to use and they come out fantastically. Citadel paints are magnificent. Glue, of course, to stick your miniatures together. And the basics of the game will be dice, measuring tape, so you can move your units around the battlefield. So that just about sums up this brief little intro into what Kill Team is and Warhammer in general. So if you like what you see, check out our website, metrohobbies.com.au. Links will be in the description below. And of course, we look forward to seeing you in our next video. We'll catch you guys next time. Have fun.